All right, I went through and I did both sides. You can see, and I made these probably a little bit darker than I usually would, especially on this side, but I did so you could see it a little bit better. And I probably made them a little bit longer than I usually would too, just so you could see it a little bit better. Just remember, the lighter you keep them, the easier it is to get rid of them, sand them off. All right, and notice it's just one line, okay? I didn't go over it back and forth or scribble it on there. It's just got to be that one line. So what happens, and I've got this set up for me to make my life just a little bit easier, okay? So took a wooden hand screw here. That's my wooden hand screw. Took my face clamp, just clamped it in here. It'll make my life a little bit easier when doing this, okay? So this is my dowel jig. This is made for doweling, okay? This is my dowel, okay? This is a 2-inch dowel, all right? So I'll get to that in a second. But what we do, and also this is 3/8 of an inch, so it fits in here or here, okay? Real easy, all right? You see it's got swirls in there, okay? Helps it with expansion, also for putting, when we put the glue in there, helps get that glue in and around, okay? Now, if we go down here, and if we take a look, okay, it's a little bit faint, but you can see how we lined up the line on our board with the line, this white line on the black on the dowel jig, okay? And you have to be accurate. You've got to get that almost exact, okay? There's not much leeway, all right, for being off. Otherwise, it's going to throw your board off or we'll have to make a new one, okay? So be accurate with that. Now, take a look right here real quick. We've got this bit. This is the bit that we actually want to use, okay? Don't use the Craig jig bit, okay? Both fit in here. Both are at 3/8 of an inch. Don't use this one though, okay? This is not what we want. Okay, so this is the dowel we want, or the bit we want to use for doweling, okay? Now, right here, okay, between here and here needs to be just over an inch, okay? This, I'm zeroed out right now, so this is 0. So because we're at 2 inches long, this has got to be just over an inch, okay? So I think when I measured from here to here, we're at 1 inch and 1/16, which is, that's exactly where we want to be, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go through and drill all of them on this side, okay? We'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we have to do the ones on the shelves, okay? So I'll set up the other edge banding just like this, and then when we get to the shelf over here, it's going to be tough to set that up like that, so we'll find a different way to do it, all right?